the patio is properly done now, as you can see. Very sharp, very neat. Look at that. Now, our main focus here is, first of all, the membrane. The ground has been leveled nicely so that there won't be any bumps, and also taking care of the drainage. So that's the membrane that's going under before the turf. Right. And that's that there. So nice and level the ground. Look at that. Very pleased with this. Good, looking good. That's our turf right there. So we will be going the other way to bring it in. But this is it. Look at that. So we are right there, just ready to lay. So in a short space of time, you will see the massive difference. We have worked so hard to get this ground ready. So this is where we are now. Promising to be a very good finish. So that's that there. Right. Then we cross over. The slabs are done. So we need to do a bit of cleaning later on. And this is it on this side. That's that. Ready.